What's up, guys? And once again we are doing another video. My previous video was the bushings, and this video is going to be the rear control arms. I was planning to do the rear control arms also on the previous video, but it took a little longer than expected. So on today's video we're going to do the Whiteline rear control arms for the STI, which are adjustable. I can adjust the camber of the rear tires. So the car is already jacked up, and this is the rear control arms right here. It's nice and simple. This should be a very easy installation because I have taken those rear control arms a couple times off doing the coils and springs and whatnot. So you got rear control arms right here. You got this will be like the camber bolt. In my opinion, that's what I will call it. It's kind of like the bolt that will make the adjustments, which will go here and adjust. And this should have a nice strong bushing, better than the stock one. And really, it's just bolt, and one side has like a little sensor thing there. So I don't know which one it is, which side it is. They're probably all the same. They look exactly the same, both of them. So pretty much it's gonna be super easy. Let's get to it. All right, so it's pretty simple. I already got the coil off. All these bolts are pretty much 17 millimeter, 17, 17, 17, 17, and basically just take them apart, basically. So here you have it, side by side comparison. They're basically the same. I don't know what this notch is for, no idea. This one doesn't have it. Oh, it actually does have it. Difference is just basically this right here, and I guess this must be a thicker bushing than this one. I hope this one is nice and tight, but they both weight the same. I actually weighed it myself with this and then that, and they're basically the same weight. It would have been nice if this was like, I don't know, like super lightweight, but it's just, I'm guessing it has to be nice and thick. So yeah, as you guys saw, it was super simple. So I'm just gonna put this back together. I'm not gonna tighten it up, and then we after I get everything, then we're gonna tighten it up. And also I gotta double check my end links. I saw one of my end links that's not completely tight on the top. So that I'm going to be tightening it up, and put a little sticker in here somewhere, you know, visible to represent Whiteline. One of these little stickers that they sent me, tiny stickers, and then we'll have it all done and drive around a little bit, and then I have to make an alignment appointment. Rear control arm is connected, as you guys can see. It put little stickers there and there. Everything is there, so it's pretty easy. You can see it. You loosen up a little bit the other side, and basically just turn that. This little thing will spin around and kind of move this back and forth. So I have it kind of like right there, just in case. I don't know how much camber that is, but it has to be adjusted anyways while on the ground. And then when I take it to the alignment shop, they'll do it. I'll just make sure that they know that's adjustable, and all I got left is put the other side, and that's pretty much it. We're gonna be done. Tires on, everything on, even my diffuser on, all that stuff. and make sure that my end links are nice and tight, because the other one is not tight at all. And then we're gonna be done. And then alignment shop, make sure I get some camber, and we are gonna be completely done. Easy, easy, lemon squeezy. Okay, so the cart has been dropped. Rear control arms are installed. Everything is back together. I feel that there is a little bit of toe. Looking at it inwards, I'm not sure, maybe a little bit of camber there, but we won't know exactly how bad it is until I get my alignment done. So let's take this car to get aligned. And there it is. Car's aligned. Is actually a week later from all the lower control arms and stuff like that. I have to say it was super bad, like on both sides. I had like probably like negative camber, -4 on this side, negative like 3.5 over there. It was so bad. I actually have my little piece of paper here so you guys can see it's like 3.5, -4.2 on the right side. The toe was, that's really bad. See, it went from -9/16 to 0. Same thing with the rear camber. One was -3, one was 2.3, and I ended up doing just -2.2. And as you can see, is right there within specs. So all these are within specs right here, except of course the front tires. And this is all gonna be for today. I'm trying to get the car ready for time attack. I have basically almost like a month and like a week before I go to Grit Life in Ohio. So today is March and next month is April. So April 23rd and 24th, I believe. Well, no, 14 and 15 is Grit Life. So yes, I am trying to just get the car ready before Grit Life. I already ordered some new tires, so that's coming in the future. And I'm doing a new splitter because my splitter's messed up also. And I don't know what else I need to do. I just gotta test the car out. I might be going to track cross, which is basically like autocross on the track. So they just use a section of the track. That's gonna be the first time I might be doing it, just to kind of test the car out and kind of use these tires up a little bit. So that's it for today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching. See ya.